seeding has been in use for a long time. For example, it was applied during the 2008 Beijing Olympics to prevent rain during the ceremonies. Additionally, arid regions like Mali and Thailand have been using cloud seeding for decades. Cloud seeding has been used in mountainous areas of the United States since 1950s. The United Arab Emirates invested $5 million in the UAE research program for rain enhancement science in 2016. But even the revolutionary technique has its advantages and disadvantages. The advantages include: first, cloud seeding can make the earth's extremely dry and hot areas livable. Second, it can optimize crop yields and help improve a region's economy. Third, cloud seeding can be used to reduce the impact of droughts. Fourth, cloud seeding can be used to solve the water scarcity crisis. The disadvantages include: first, particular weather conditions are required for cloud seeding to be effective. For instance, cloud seeding will not work in clear skies. Second, cloud seeding is expensive. Third, the impact of long-term exposure to cloud seeding is unknown. The chemicals used could be hazardous and could lead to soil water pollution. Fourth, the efficiency of cloud seeding is still under research. To learn more, check out the link in the description. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.